Welcome to Fun by Design. In this video we introduce you to the Einhell cordless lawnmower that allows you to cut grass without the worry of cables or the need for an electrical socket. The Einhell cordless mower is powered by an 18-volt lithium-ion battery which is included. It also has a fast charger to ensure the battery is charged fully every time you need to cut your lawn. The lawnmower has a brushless motor, which means it will have long operating times with no mechanical wear, allowing you to cut small to medium-sized lawns with ease. The cutting width of the mower is 33 centimeters, and it has a 30-liter grass box that collects the grass very efficiently. The grass box also has a full indicator to show that it is time to empty your cuttings. With 5 levels of height adjustment, this mower will tackle much longer grass as well as provide a beautiful lawn cut on its lowest settings. The lawnmower is easy to use, with a safety on-off button and power lever on the handle. The handle is also fully adjustable, so if you are tall, short, or medium in height, the mower will provide you a comfortable position for mowing the lawn. The handle of the mower also folds, which makes storing the mower when not in use very easy. The main housing of this mower is impact resistant, so it will handle the toughest areas including dense growth and overgrown areas of lawn. Transporting the lawnmower is also easy, because it has an integrated carry handle, and the mower is lightweight. Changing the battery is a doddle. Simply insert it into the front of the mower to connect the power to the brushless motor, and it's ready to cut your lawn right away. This cordless mower is so much fun for your garden. No more trailing cables to contend with, no more electric sockets required, and it can be transported easily. If you want to find out more about this amazing cordless lawnmower, we have placed a link in the description of this video. To see more fun product videos, subscribe to the Fun by Design channel. Also press the bell icon to be notified when we upload our next fun product. If you like this cordless Einhell lawnmower video, give the video a like. Let us know in the comments if you think a cordless mower is a great idea, or if you use one yourself and would like to share your experiences of cutting your grass with a cordless mower. Thank you for watching. See you next time.